So when you're organizing a garage space, you want to keep in mind that it is one of the spaces in your home that's likely to become really cluttered, because unless you're out there every day, it's going to be really hard. Plus, it tends to be a little wet and even dark and hard to see where things are. So one of the most important things you need to remember about organizing a garage space is that it'll stay the most organized when you have everything organized by zones or by area. So behind me, you can see that this is our tool zone. My husband has clearly demarcated this space with an entire wall of tools, which actually leads me into my second tip, which is to make full use of the wall space in your garage. So you want to take advantage of the tall walls and use the space going all the way up. And let me see if I can show you here. I'll get a little bit out, but he's gone almost all the way up to where he hangs things that he doesn't use very often at all, go way up high. And yes, it's a pain to get down, but you're only doing it a couple times a year, so it's really not that bad at all. The last tip for keeping your garage organized is to take a trip to your home improvement center and see what options they have for the different baskets, bins, and hooks and shelves. Similar to what we have over here, these baskets are super flexible because they are open lidded, so we can just reach in and get there. And you can see we have a plethora of ropes and bungee cords and other tie downs, because apparently we use a lot of those. But I also have a similar section over here that I can show you that I use all for my gardening stuff. And it is super handy to have all of this in one place. So back there, tying into my other tip, back there was the tool zone. This is the gardening zone, so that I can put all of my stuff right here, grab it, and head on out into the garden and make my yard beautiful. So there you have 3 really easy tips that anybody can incorporate to have a more organized garage space.